So I'm working on the J10 again, finally. Fixing to pull this 4.2 out. Actually, I'm pulling the motor, transfer case, all of it. I've got a 4.7 stroker, an AX15, and a Dana 300 with twin stick. I've already started this off right. Pulled the radiator out. I thought it was no water in there, but yeah, it's all on the floor now, all over my drill. What are you gonna do? Check out all the oil in this filter. This thing is just drenched with oil. This motor had blow by really bad. It was pumping most of the oil into the carburetor, I think.
Sitting in a big armchair.
Pro tip, take your swivels, wrap them with electrical tape. Keeps them from being all floppy. Now it's nice and stiff, but still flexible. Well, I think I got everything disconnected and got this hoist hooked up, which it was too short, so I did the right thing and drilled a new hole in it and overextending it, and it's definitely looking kind of bent, but I think it'll hold. Well, that was fun. It didn't break. Kind of bent. Oh well. Wouldn't go up quite high enough. Kept getting hooked on that little lip right there. But it's out. Pulled the interior out, pulled the carpet up. I wish every vehicle in the world had that access panel right there. Makes getting to those bolts so much easier. Now for the really fun part. Get that greasy thing out. And that even greasier thing out. At least none of the bolts are rusted. This thing used to leak more oil than it burned gas, so kept everything nicely lubricated.
sitting in a big armchair. One arm around my whiskey barrel, the other around my dear.
Well, now that everything's out of here, I'm gonna clean it up with some of my tire shine. I just got the intake manifold all set. I had to use a little bit bigger washers on some of those bolts to get them to catch, but I think it'll work out okay. And I had to take, I don't know if you can see it, I had to take a little bit off the corners and cut the dowel pin holes out to get it to fit on the 4.0 head. They're very similar, but not exact. But everyone on the internet says that this will work, so I'm gonna go for it. Now I just have to do something with that. I think I'm just gonna drill and tap a new hole. Put a little spacer in there. Probably a socket. Same thing with that one down there. But after that, it's ready to go in.